People often ask what it takes to become a pilot. If only it were that simple. Being a pilot is more than just what meets the eye. The uniform, aircraft, and immaculate views merely scratch the surface. Becoming a pilot requires an immense level of determination. You have to be hungrier, stronger, and more disciplined than the rest, willing to sacrifice more, take more risks, and never back down. You have to set your goals higher, maintain your vision skywards, and never succumb to fear. For fear is the breeding ground of where dreams fail. Dream bigger than you have ever dreamt. You are never too old to dream a new dream. Be patient and allow results to show themselves. Trust in the process and await success. Always remember to look up. Store your dreams at arm's length and never let go. Uphold your head in the skies, but never forget to keep your feet grounded. Inspire others, share knowledge, and spark motivation. Never fall victim to doubt, stress, or ridicule. And when things don't turn out the way you hoped, remain calm and assess the situation. Being a pilot means working harder than the rest. Awake whilst others sleep, relaxed but time-pressed. Giving more than you ever possibly thought you could. And constantly learning from one's mistakes. And finally, when you think you have achieved greatness, never forget to stop and reflect. Remember where you started and where you visioned yourself in the future. Now aim higher. For at the end of the day, you are the only true judge of yourself and where you want to be. So, have you got what it takes?